Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I'm here with the special guest Marie from the Aristocats. And you may be wondering, what does this have to do with Mother's Day? Well, I'll tell you. I found Marie at Burlington for $7.99, and I thought this would go great with what I got my mom, which is something from Box Lunch. They wrapped it up so nicely for me, and I'm going to show you what it is. So I'm just going to set Marie to the side here. It's a purse that says Meow Meow with Marie in the middle, which is why we have Marie in the middle of the table. And on the back, it's Marie grooming herself. It also has her bow hanging off here. Try to get it in the light there. So let's go ahead here and open up this purse real quick and see what the inside looks like. On the inside, it has Marie's face all over. And here's the strap for it. It's got a good amount of pockets, it looks like. Alright, I'm about to go surprise my mom with her present. Happy Mother's Day!
Ooh!
I got you a present.
Ooh! Present for me? Not for the cat. Oh, thank you.
That's for you.
He's cute.
And there's something else in here.
Oh, that's cute. A kitty cat. See, Tigger? Kitty. Yeah, kitty from Disneyland, but you're not going to chew it. Play with it. It's white. Ooh, I like that. I like that. That's pretty.
Look at the other side.
Oh, Tommy. Thank you. You got good taste.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you liked it. If you like this Loungefly, go check it out at boxlunch.com. And remember,